we have a surprise delivery. So the ENKEIs have come back from powder coat. BNR N1 racing model for the BNR33. Gotta get the baseline in here. Just got some spare boxes that I had upstairs. I'm gonna get the wheels thrown in to the boxes because I don't want to see them ever again. Truly amazing wheels, historical value. I presume there's only a couple in the country, so I'm either going to sell them or I'm going to sit on them. I don't know yet. But on another note, on the Facebook Marketplace, I had a cheeky little buy. Some work in motion 17B7 ET47. So I might get them powder coated in silver. Same again at WHEELFURB, and then I'll get them on the marketplace as well and get rid of them. They'll go on something like a GT86 or a Celica, something along them lines. But I thought I'd just update you with them because I was a nice cheeky find. I'm going to keep the tyres because I could do with some on the Civic for the daily. What else have we got? Oh, we've had a delivery. The water feed for the banjos, for the turbo, they've come, so I can get them on the engine. This is my water return, and this one is for my water temperature sensor. So, we've got some stuff to get on with. I've had a bit of a mix-up with, is it Mamba Racing, or Mamba Motorsport, or Mamba China, I don't know. But I should have been having the oil return for the turbo, but they sent me an email a few days after I'd ordered it saying that they wasn't in stock. So now I've had to reorder from somewhere else, and then they refunded me the wrong item. They refunded them banjo bolts, even though they said they didn't have the other part. So I've got to wait a couple more days for that to iron out because it's now Saturday and I'm not getting into it. At least we've got something to crack on with today. That's if we even do it. I don't know. I just wanted to show you the wheels, you know. Keep you updated. Keep everyone happy. Keep everyone in check. And we're getting a bit closer with the Civic. Ain't we? Woo! It's a warm one today, boys, I ain't gonna lie. It's like I don't even know what the temperature is, but damn, it's hot. Wheels. So the wheels are all packed and they're ready to see the new owner, or they'll just be left in the corner somewhere till a later date. But I just thought I'd give you a little update. So, the banjo bolts have come. Don't worry about this hose, it's just for mock-up purposes. This is my water feed for the turbo, and I'm having it from this feed here. As you can see, that feed there. So this will be looped in, this will be done, and that will go into there. And then this one here is my water return, and I'm going to make it, it's going to come down here, then it's going to follow this, and then it's going to loop round, and it's going to be fed into this barb fitting, which will then, something like that, for when I put the hose on. I've also got the temperature sensor one installed now, so this one will go on the top of the radiator. Up here, around about that area, I'm just waiting for the silicone hoses to come from wherever I ordered them. I have no idea, I can't remember. Looking good, not gonna lie, very, very happy with it. It's getting there. I'm enjoying it. I've ordered the pipe work for the intercooler. It'll be 2.5, and then I'll get it finalised when all the bits come in. Good fun. It's going to be tight, it's going to be fiddly, but it's going to be worth it. That's the main thing. I didn't want to just run an oil feed. I'm not saying it's an issue, but it just wasn't gelling with me, so I've decided to put a water one in as well. Keep the turbo happy, keep it cool. That's exactly what we want. Who thought turboing a Honda Civic would be fun? I've had a bit of a think, and I'm looking. And I've decided to flip the turbo around to see if it's any easier. And looking at that, it's not. Looks like it's catching on the block a bit there. It will fit, but it's a bit close to the dipstick. It's a bit close to the water feed. And it's a bit close on the turbo. It's a bit close overall, so I don't think it's worth messing around with, because the last thing I want to do is create more problems for myself. Putting in the night shift, yeah? Busy, yeah? Now the lighting is probably, definitely, most probably going to be terrible. I flipped around the turbo earlier, which I can't remember if you remember, but I've put it back. It's not going to work. But I had to try because I wanted to know if there's going to be any more clearance, but there wasn't. So I wasted half an hour of my life doing that and then putting it back again. Anyway, we need a drink. I think we need to buy a kettle and a fridge and some liquids for down this place. He wants a sponsor.
A cup of tea.
Cup of tea, couple of biscuits.
Chocolate bacon.
And some Monster and pizza. Anyway, I've done some mocking up of the cardboard. This back bit is very, very technical. It's going to be very difficult. But what I've done is I've put the lip in. I don't even know if you can see, but I've put a lip in. So what I will do is do like the factories where I'll drill little holes here every so many inches and then weld, and then I'll create the nice seam. I don't know how good it's going to look. And to be honest with you, I'm tired now.
Remember to like, subscribe, comment and share. And add CUS_detailing.
Selfless plug. Put it in the description below. CUS detailing and valeting with the plug for free. All you 7 watchers. No, we've got more than 7.
What's that?
How many watchers we got?
How many?
The boozer boys.
How many what?
How many viewers and spectators we got?
Well, because we're with the elite, it's like a good 3 million now, isn't it? You know, 3 million pushing. Every day we're growing.
I think we got 30 views, but we've got to be keeping it. Keeping it! No surrender! Yeah!
Cut loose all up on the internet.
Big waffle. Big waffle. Gonna cut most of this shit out. Anyway, that's it for me. That's it from CUS. We out. We out? We out?